Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.
Keyframe Ease is now on InShot, and here's how you can use it to create professional custom animations like these. So what is Keyframe Ease and what do these distort curves mean? Follow me to find out how you can use Keyframe Ease like a pro.
With InShot, you can add animations with keyframes and adjust the position, opacity, scale, and rotate the layer. Here's a sticker. Add a keyframe at the start, move the timeline to 2 seconds, and move the sticker from the bottom to the top. You'll see that the sticker moves at a constant rate from the first to second keyframe. Now let's plot a graph to demonstrate this. The horizontal axis is our timeline, while the vertical axis represents how far the sticker moves. As seen on the diagram, these points create a straight line. Now let's apply the ease feature between 2 keyframes. You'll notice how natural the movement is. The stickers move within the same duration, but the animations seem different because objects in real life move like this. They all experience acceleration and deceleration. Now let's plot a graph to demonstrate this animation with ease in out. These points create a curve. The sticker speeds up gradually at first, then slows down until it stops. The flatter the curve, the slower the speed of the movement. The steeper the curve, the greater the speed. With a variety of distort curves, you can create a smoother and more realistic motion in just one click.
Now that you know how to use the Keyframe Ease feature, open InShot and let's get cracking.